Hey, welcome to my channel. We're doing a 5-week challenge of making sure we log everything. Here's my log for the day. Follow to see exactly what I ate. Bye. Hey there, it is Tuesday night. I'm trying to get everything ready for work tomorrow. When I have the red hat ladies, anything after work, it always kind of throws me off on getting my act together for the next day. But this is one of the things I made up this weekend. This is deep fried steak bites and zucchini and squash. And I remember I seasoned them. So that's going to be my lunch tomorrow. And I'm going to have my egg muffin. So I'll put this down in my lunchy box. And I'll put this on top of it. Got to get a little of that air out. Hang on. And then I'm going to show y'all what I ordered. All right, so that goes in there. Give me a big old spoon. And I'll put this in the refrigerator. Hang on. So I made a couple orders. My Walmart has been out of... Nope, that's not this one. Okay, I know what that one is. My Walmart has been out of magnesium, and I have, for the past 3 years, taken 800 of magnesium every night. Well, and because I take 2 400 milligram capsules, and my Walmart's been out of them. So I had to go online, and I ordered some magnesium from Amazon. So, and the other thing I ordered... Gina sent me those seasonings, and there's one in particular I think this is truly what made my come on now, why you gotta be so difficult? This is what made my au gratin potatoes, or I say potatoes, my au gratin so delicious. This is totally, I think this is the key. I ordered 2 of these all-day craves. So the flavor is, it is a rich and creamy seasoning. It has nutritional yeast, garlic, and onion. And the combination of that, so nutritional yeast has almost like a cheesy flavor. And so this really, really is good. I put it on, like I said, those those potatoes, and not potatoes, you know what I mean, the au gratin stuff. And man, is it good. I should save these for my mama. Let me see. When I was a kid, my mom, we would save these. She loved them. She she'd stomp on them until she could make them all pop, 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 pop. Or as many as she could. Then she'd sit. Now, of course, this is before cell phones, but she would sit and she would pop one by one by one, and she would just sit in her recliner and she would pop these and pop them and pop them. And I know, again, before cell phones, one year at Christmas time, I went into Walmart and they had like a big old roll of these things, and I bought it and gave it to her. And then when I used to work as a hairdresser in the mall, we would get hair products and stuff, and they would come with these in the boxes, and I'd save them up for her and give her these. The dogs aren't upset by it, but they keep going, what's that noise? Anyway, I would always go, that's my favorite way of doing them. So anyway, okay, well, that's it. And I'll see you in the morning. Oh, my coffee. This is my 2 tablespoons of instant coffee with my protein powder and a chocolate element. And in the morning, I'll add 20 ounces of hot water, and that'll be my coffee. All right, see you tomorrow. I'm having my egg muffin. I tell you, I've been single for way too long. I don't care if things are hot or cold or whatever, but I'm going to eat my muffin and just eat it right out of the bag. I haven't microwaved it or nothing. Hello, it's lunchtime. Today I'm gonna be having my fried steak and my it's the zucchini squash blend. Hang on, let me do it this way so you can see it. So that's what it looks like. And let's taste it. Let's taste our deep fried steak bites. Let me get one. Here's one. It's good. I like it. And then let's try a zucchini squash. So we have our own little frozen meal ready to go. All I gotta do is nuke it for 2 minutes and away we go. So, okay, bye. Let me tell you, of all the weight loss programs I've been on, of all the diets I've been on all the ways of eating I've been on, the fact that I can eat steak, deep fried steak, the fact that I can eat pork and some veggies and get full and not have to be like hungry and miserable and cranky and hangry. Man, this is the way to go. Okay, bye. Howdy. It's supper time. I have some steak bites and peppers and onions and mushrooms in the microwave. I also have some pan fried turnips that I made a couple weeks ago. While that's going on, I was like, I want to just tell y'all, since I've stopped eating the raw cabbage, I haven't had any gas. So yeah, let me tell you something else weird that's going on. For, I don't know, 3-4 months, I've been taking 5 milligrams of melatonin. Okay. So, next best thing, I'll get a 10 milligram. 5 plus 5 is 10. Well, let's see. So, Sunday night, I slept real good. And then Monday night, I was having some suppressed respirations, like I was laying in bed. And I just felt like I wasn't breathing deep. Almost like how I felt whenever I stopped my my CPAP machine. And I was laying there and I'm like, am I breathing? Am I breathing deep? What's going on? And I couldn't tell, was it anxiety or was it, me not breathing deep because of the melatonin, or was it because I had started taking more increased dose of magnesium? So, no clue which one of those 3 things it was, and still don't. But, so what I did was, for tonight, I took one of those 10 milligrams of melatonin. I broke it in half and broke that in half. And so I'm going to take 3/4 a tablet of melatonin. And I have decreased my magnesium for tonight. So what was that the other thing that happened? This is why it's all kind of like, well, which one is it? So I changed to a 10 milligram tablet of melatonin, which I'm pretty sure I've taken in the past, but I don't remember. And then they were out of the 400 milligrams of magnesium, so I had 250. Well, I was taking 4 of the 250, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. So it was 1,000 milligrams of magnesium. So I don't know if it was the magnesium making me have trouble breathing or making me anxious, or was it the 10 milligrams of melatonin? So I don't really know. So tonight I'm going to be taking 250, 250. So whatever, 20, hang on. Alexa, what's 25 times 3?
25 times 3 is 75.
Okay, so I'm going to be taking 750 milligrams of my magnesium, and then I'll be taking 3/4 of a 10 milligram tablet of melatonin. So I'm going to do that for a little bit and see what it is, whether it was from the magnesium, because I filled up my pill bottle all at the same time. So, so I changed my magnesium and changed my melatonin all at the same time. So I don't know which one it is. However, I did get some of those 400 milligram tablets of magnesium, but I'm just going to do 750 because I was taking 800, so 750 should be fine. So anyway, I don't know. But anyway, it made me feel anxious all day long. Yesterday and today made me feel like, I don't know if any of you all smoke. I used to smoke. And when I would crave a cigarette right here, I would just get this anxious feeling when I would start craving. And I would just be like, ugh. And so that's how I felt all day yesterday. And then it's how I felt like for the half of today. So, you know, which it is, maybe I just have a lot going on and I don't realize it. Or it's the melatonin and not sleeping well. Or it is the magnesium. So tonight we're going to lower the melatonin and magnesium and see if I sleep really good. And then I can kind of tweak it after that. I just want to, because then that'll tell me if I still have the issue after decreasing both of those. Then I know, nope, it's not the medication, Terry. It's maybe it's an anxiety related thing. So anyway, so that's kind of something that's going on with me. Let me see the temperature. Too cold. Hang on. There we go. The mushroom was stuck. Listen. This is just listen to Terry complain night. As a kid, I always wanted braces so bad. But my teeth weren't bad enough. And the dentist told my mom if they pulled a tooth up here, then I would not have to get braces. Well, my teeth are nice and straight because they pulled it. Now they've shifted because the tooth they pulled was 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Anyway, it was right. I don't think it was like right in here. I don't know, somewhere. One of them. Anyway, and they pulled it. So my teeth have shifted to allow, So anyway, they shifted that way a little bit. Like here's the center. And it ain't that off. But anyway, but because I have, my teeth, they did it when I was a kid, so my teeth kind of shifted around. But one tooth has just a little bit more of a gap than the other teeth. So every time I eat, food gets stuck in there. So I always have to pick it out because it drives me nuts. So enough of my whining. How was your day today? Anyway, so for supper, we're having pan-fried turnips. Let's see. Yep. Just a little more salt. I'm going to use a little no salt and a little salt. Okay. See how that goes. And then this weekend, or last week when I went grocery shopping, I picked up some pico de gallo. So I want to use that up before it goes bad. In the past, what I've done is put it out on a cookie sheet and froze it and then kind of crumbled it up and put it in a Ziploc bag. So I know I could do that if I wanted to, but I don't want to do that. I want to use it. So I'm going to put some of this pico de gallo on my steak. So along with the onions, mushrooms, and peppers, I'm going to put some pico de gallo. There and there. I don't know why, it's just what I want. So that's what I'm having for supper tonight. I do know that the steak bites need more salt because I had to add it every time I've eaten them. So I'm going to add some salt and some no salt. Let me just mix this up and see how it's going to go. I had a good day at work. It was productive, a lot going on, and got a couple of new people on our team, and they're really good. And my old team, they're all good, and so it's been really good work week. So that's what I mean. I have no reason to be anxious or anything. Nope, not taking that bite. Looking for a little bite to see. What you chomping on down there, puppy dog? Here, this little one maybe. Mmm. Put some of that on there. It's like it's missing something. This is the Boom Umami Porcini. I think those are mushrooms. So porcini, tomato, and guajilli chili. It's like it's missing something. Yeah. This time I'm just going to taste the liquid down in the bottom. See how that tastes now. Yeah, that's better. It just needed a little zhuzhing up. So there we go. That's supper. Fried turnips and steak bites. Okay. Don't forget. Chart log until the 19th. I think today is the 14th. You got 5 more days. And stay in the challenge. Log for 5 more days. And then we can take a break for Christmas. But analyze what you've been eating and see what you need to do with it. Okay, bye.